Hey, welcome, John Russo from Palm Beach Customs, and what we have here is 84 CJ7 build that we just finished for a girl in Ohio, nicknamed KT, and we did this springtime blue. It's an original Jeep color. Truck's originally from New Mexico. No rust on this when we got it, and we totally tore it down. All the sheet metal off, the nose, and we built her a brand new 258 6-cylinder with all the trimmings, all the goodies on it. You know, all fuel pump, water pump, starter, all the duct work, all new carb. I will come around this side. Distributor, new starter, alternator, all new, clutch, pressure plate, flywheel, throw out bearing, and the motor mounts were replaced. So everything it needed. Totally painted all the panels separately and put all the sheet metal went on with the trim cork. So there's no metal to metal. There's trim cork in between the body and the sheet metal. And we painted underside the hood. Of course, it's got all new hood hinges and hold downs, new mirrors. We did a new front windshield, new cowl rubber, wiper blades. The list goes on and on. We did all new, rebuilt the doors. We went with all new belt moldings on the tops of the doors, all new door weather stripping, inner belt moldings, door panels. Totally rebuilt all the parts in the doors, and the channel that goes down from the quarter glass and it runs all the way along the door and down into the slider that the back of the glass runs in. We went with all new there. The door straps, totally rebuilt the dash, all new gauges, instrument cluster. Went with the Sony Bluetooth with the 6x9 kickers, spray on bed liner, new seats, all new boots around the shifters, all new heater gate cables, clutch and brake pedals, like I said, at the door panels, rear seat brand new. We went with the satin black theme on this, so the roll bar is satin black. The top we retextured, hot rod black satin. The rims, same deal, and it's got the BFG K2O with the 33-12-5s on the 15s. And we went with the Rugged Ridge steps and front bumper with the hoop. And you'll notice we did all new wheel flares, and everything was bolted together with stainless too. The rear bumper, we had to go with a flat rear bumper because the 33 tire is so big that the hoop bumper would have just gotten away. You can see there's very little room down here. We're cleared by about 1/8 of an inch. And yeah, nice build. This motor comes with 3-year unlimited mile warranty. When we do them, all new pistons and rods, camshaft, lifters, timing chain. You can hear it running. We just fired it up for you. It runs real sweet. And we also went with stainless steel exhaust, full stainless steel exhaust all the way back. Basically lifetime exhaust, never rust out. So just a standard 6-cylinder. Jeep runs out real nice. Like I said, we did all. It has all new drive shafts and clutch. Here's the exhaust coming out the back, the stainless. The hole underneath the truck is all chassis black, all clean. We went with the Rugged Ridge 2 hitch lift with all new Skyjacker shocks and stabilizer shock in the front. And so this is our first video of it done, and we're gonna bring it for an alignment and tweak in a few little things, and this thing's gonna be ready. Make it a great day. This is John Russo from Palm Beach Customs. We'll see you on the next vid. Happy Jeeping. Take care.